G'day everyone. I recently found myself in this situation where my Carefree electric awning wouldn't fully retract after our holiday. Fortunately for me, I did a bit of research beforehand and was able to wind the awning in manually using my socket wrench and extension piece. I'll put a link in the description above showing which tools you need and how to do it. I just want to add here that even though I was able to manually wind the awning in, it didn't completely lock into place. It was 99% of the way in, but I was able to drive the vehicle home with the awning like this. When I got home, I had to readjust the settings in the awning to allow it to fully retract once again. To do this, I had to undo the cover shown in the picture here. This was done by removing two Phillip head screws, one beside my thumb here and the other one under my index finger as shown in the picture. After removing the screws, the cover just slides off, which gives me access to the two adjusting screws underneath. Okay, so I've taken the little cover off, and as you can see there's a little Allen key in there at the moment. If I climb up the ladder, excuse the jerkiness of the film, but once the cover's off, if you see in there, you can see this Allen key. There's a little nut in there and there's another one in here. The bottom one, from what I've researched, controls how far the awning goes in, and the top one controls how far the awning goes out. So I've just given this a couple of turns clockwise. At the moment, this is as far as the awning would go in. Further again. So every clockwise turn seems to be about 2 or 3 inches. So I think I've only got one or two more 360-degree turns, and this awning should be locking back into place again. Here we go. So I'm going to go around once, twice, and that's on the bottom Allen key fitting. And now I'll press the in button and see what happens. There we go, fully housed. I'll just give it a final check, final test. I'll extend it out as far as I can. Unfortunately, I can't go all the way because there's a tree blocking just where I've got it parked here. But I'll just take it out as far as I can and back in again and just make sure that it houses properly. There we go, isn't it good when things work? So there we go, the cap's now screwed back on, and look at that, the awning is all perfectly, fully housed into its little fitting there.